So first, I'm going to create a voice by saying, create the voice of a fair princess from a fantasy land. Now, Claude immediately knows what to do with this using the text-to-voice from ElevenLabs API. So it's going to create the request for the API. It's going to ask me very responsibly if it wants me to allow it to do this. I'm going to say yes. And now this is going to go away and make an actual request to the ElevenLabs API with my API key. And it's going to generate 3 separate voice design previews. And it will return eventually with those 3 previews. Does this take a little moment because there's a lot of stuff happening in the background here at ElevenLabs. There we go. It's finished. Let's also save these to my desktop as well. But it now has created 3 separate previews, and I can choose one of those previews to actually create a voice. But first I need to listen to them. So I'm going to say, play the first clip. And again, Claude's going to think about it. It knows exactly what to do. I'm going to click allow.
Greetings, dear visitor to our enchanted realm. I am Princess Elysia of the Silver Forests. It brings me great joy to welcome you to our lands. The stars have foretold of your arrival, and the ancient trees whisper your name. May your journey through our kingdom be filled with wonder and light. Should you ever need guidance, you need only call upon me, for I have sworn an oath to protect all who walk these mystical paths.
Well, that sounds pretty good to me. So there's 3 separate previews, and I could play the other 2 to see if I like them better. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and create a voice using that first clip. So I'm going to say, save a voice using the first clip. Claude knows exactly what to do here. It's going to prompt me to allow this. I'm going to say yes. And within a moment, there we go. The voice has now been saved to my voice library. And it gives me the voice ID as well, which is quite useful. But now, let's use that voice to do something more interesting. So I'm going to say, use that voice to generate hello from the ElevenLabs MCP server. And then play it. Prompting me to say yes. Generating the audio.
Hello from the ElevenLabs MCP server.
Fantastic. There we have it. Now, one last thing that I want to show is do some speech-to-speech or voice transformation. So let's say, take that clip and transform the voice using the Adam voice. Now, Adam is one of the default voices that's available to everyone, and this is probably one you've probably heard before. So we're going to allow this. It's going to generate.
Hello from the ElevenLabs MCP server.
There we are, and you notice that it's the same intonation and cadence as the previous princess voice. All right, the last thing is that if you do forget the name of the voice that you just created, there's a whole search functionality built right into the MCP server. So now if I say search my voices for fantasy, then Claude is going to do exactly that after I allow it. And here we are. There's that Princess Elysia that we just created, and a drunken dwarf voice that I had from previous generation. So that's it. That's the MCP server. We cannot wait to see what you built with it. Thanks very much, and catch you in the next one.